Ever wondered why some lottery winners end up broke or miserable despite their windfall? In this video, we'll uncover the shocking truth behind the lottery curse and reveal the hidden dangers that come with sudden wealth. If you don't watch, you might miss crucial information that could save you from financial ruin and personal turmoil should fortune ever smile upon you. From unexpected legal battles to surprising psychological effects, we'll explore the dark side of hitting the jackpot that most people never see coming. Subscribe now to unlock the secrets of managing wealth and avoiding the pitfalls that have trapped so many unsuspecting winners. 1. Sudden wealth syndrome. Winning the lottery can bring about an overwhelming sense of stress and anxiety, often referred to as sudden wealth syndrome. This psychological phenomenon can lead to depression and other mental health issues as winners struggle to cope with their newfound wealth. The abrupt change in financial status can be disorienting, causing emotional turmoil and difficulty in adjusting to a new lifestyle. 2. Relationship strain. Money has the potential to complicate relationships significantly. Lottery winners often find that friends, family members, and even strangers may feel entitled to a share of the winnings. This can lead to conflicts, resentment, and strained relationships as the winner navigates new dynamics and expectations within their social circle. 3. Financial mismanagement. Without proper financial advice and planning, lottery winners can easily make poor investment choices or indulge in extravagant purchases. This can result in rapidly depleting their newfound wealth, sometimes even leading to bankruptcy. The lack of experience in managing large sums of money can be a significant pitfall for many winners. 4. Loss of privacy. Winning the lottery often comes with increased media exposure and public interest. This sudden spotlight can lead to a loss of anonymity and privacy issues. Winners may find themselves struggling to maintain a normal life as they deal with constant attention and intrusion from the public and media. 5. Scams and fraud. Lottery winners become prime targets for various scams and fraudulent schemes. Unscrupulous individuals may attempt to exploit the winner's wealth through fake investment opportunities, charity scams, or other deceptive practices. This constant threat can create a stressful environment for the winner. 6. High expectations. There can be immense pressure on lottery winners to maintain a certain lifestyle or make specific financial decisions. These expectations can come from both external sources and the winners themselves. The stress of living up to these high expectations can be overwhelming and may lead to poor decision-making. 7. Lifestyle inflation. With a sudden increase in wealth, spending habits can quickly spiral out of control. This lifestyle inflation can lead to unsustainable financial habits and eventual financial distress. Winners may find it challenging to resist the temptation to indulge in luxury items and experiences, potentially jeopardizing their long-term financial security. 8. Tax complications. Winning a large sum of money often comes with significant tax implications. Managing these tax obligations can be complex and costly, often requiring professional assistance. The intricacies of tax law and the substantial amounts involved can be daunting for many lottery winners. 9. Pressure to donate. Lottery winners often face public and private pressure to give money to charities, community projects, or individuals in need. While philanthropy can be rewarding, the constant requests and expectations can become overwhelming. Balancing generosity with personal financial security can be a challenging task for winners. 10. Work disruption. Sudden wealth might lead to impulsive decisions like quitting a job or changing careers. While this may seem appealing at first, it can disrupt personal and professional life in unexpected ways. Some winners later regret leaving their jobs, finding that work provided structure and purpose to their lives. 11. Legal challenges. Disputes over lottery winnings can lead to complex legal battles. This is especially true if the winning ticket was purchased as part of a pool or group. Such legal challenges can be time-consuming, expensive, and emotionally draining for the winner. 12. False sense of security. Large lottery winnings can create an illusion that the money will last forever. This false sense of security can lead to risky financial behaviors and poor long-term planning. Winners may overlook the need for budgeting and wise investment, potentially jeopardizing their future financial stability. 13. Jealousy and envy. Being a lottery winner can alienate friends and family members who may feel jealous or envious of the winner's new financial status. These negative emotions can strain or even destroy long-standing relationships. Winners may find themselves isolated or questioning the motives of those around them. 14. Boredom. After the initial excitement of winning wears off, some lottery winners find themselves feeling unfulfilled or bored without their regular routines or work. The lack of purpose or daily structure can lead to a sense of emptiness. This unexpected consequence of wealth can be particularly challenging for those who derived satisfaction from their previous work or lifestyle. 15. Identity crisis. Sudden wealth can lead to a profound identity crisis where winners struggle with their self-concept and question their relationships and life choices. The dramatic change in circumstances can leave winners feeling uncertain about who they are and how they fit into the world. This can lead to a period of self-doubt and confusion as they attempt to reconcile their new status with their previous identity. While winning the lottery might seem like a dream come true, it's clear that sudden wealth comes with its own set of challenges and potential pitfalls. From relationship strains to identity crises, the journey of a lottery winner is often far more complex than most people imagine. If you're intrigued by the prospect of financial freedom and want to navigate its surprises more successfully, keep watching our previous videos. We tackle various ways to achieve financial independence and reveal the unexpected twists and turns you might encounter along the way. Remember, true wealth isn't just about the money in your bank account, it's about managing it wisely and maintaining your well-being in the process.